Hello gamers, it's Catman1900 coming at you with another hot video tutorial. In this one, I'ma teach you guys how to install Linux. Now you may be asking yourself, but man yelling at me, why would I, a gamer, want to use Linux? Well, let me tell you why. Person asking questions while a video is going. It's faster than Windows, it's more gangster than Windows, and more importantly, it's more sexy than Windows. Look at all these desktops that I have up on the screen right now. It's hot. Alright, let me recompose myself. Get back into it. Get professional, you know, because if you want to do a tutorial, you gotta be a pro. Professional. Alright, so now let's get into the tutorial part of the video, where I show you, the gamer, how to install Solus, the best version of Linux out there for gamers today. Alright, step 1, download the Solus ISO from the website in the description. Now, there's a lot of options for different ISOs you can download, and some people might be asking themselves what an ISO is right now. So I'm going to pick to download the Solus Bugsy ISO, because that's the version I like the most. As you can plainly see, it's pretty sexy. But we're going to download that one. And you can always download, I already have it downloaded. You can download another one later on, but we'll just download the Solus Bugsy. Alright, step 2. Get that shit onto a flash drive by using the program Rufus on Windows. I can't show you because I don't use Windows though, so you gotta figure that out, sorry. But after that, it gets even more lit, so keep going. Step 3, shove that sexy fucker into your computer. Your computer may moan when getting its first taste of Linux, but don't worry, that's normal. Step 4, boot your PC on and mash the F11 button. And once it boots up to the screen where you can select stuff, select boot from USB using your RGB encrusted gamer keyboard. Step 5. Click the install icon on the desktop. This is followed by step 6, which is just follow the instructions on screen. It's as simple as that. Alright, back to that lit shit, ladies and gentlemen. Reboot once and the install is done. And then you just sit back and bask in its glory. Step 8. Log in and open the Software Center. And then install Steam, the gamer platform. Alright, one more step, and that's step 9. And this step is time to fucking pwn some noobs in the comfort of your Linux install. Oh hell yeah!